So if you've been trying to master your undulations but finding you just can't get them, or if you're totally new to belly dancing and want to learn a fun key belly dance move, then this video is just for you. Let's warm up, getting a nice stretch through the side of our body. So undulation's really key move in belly dancing, but a very hard one as well. Open up through the chest and forwards. Forwards. So open and reach. Open and reach. All the way open, all the way closed. Good. And coming in nice in circles around. Let's see, loosening up through your legs, through your hips as well. And other way. Good. Good. Okay, shake it out. Okay, into our technique. We'll bring our chest forward, our stomach forward, our hips forward, and release. Chest, stomach, hips, and release. So when you bring your chest forward, it's like you've got your torso on a slider. Let's just practice some little forward movements. Forward. This is my string tied onto my bra, pulling our chest forward. So when we go forward, not up, but forward. So a lot of people find this one really hard, especially if they've been told all their life never to stick their chest out. But also if you're really tight through the shoulders. But if that is you, it's really good for you to do this one. Good. Okay, and stomach out. This one, knees nice and soft, releasing through here, like you had a really big meal, you're trying to push that stomach out. Or if you do yoga, it's like taking a big breath in through your belly. Out, 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 out. Really relax through. Again, this one can be hard because we're always told to keep our stomach in, but right now, I want you to let it out. Good. Okay, next one, we'll bring our hips forward. So bending your knees, squeezing here, trying to get your hips forward. Forward and forward. So none of these moves that we're just doing would really do by themselves in belly dancing, but they all come into undulation. So it's like you're tilting your pelvis. This one's really good for your posture as well, especially if you have a bad lower back. Okay, starting off, we come chest forward, stomach forward, hips forward, and release. So even if you know your undulation, it's good to do these exercises. It'll make you stronger, make your undulations smoother. And you can see I'm touching the part of the body that I want to emphasize. So try that as well if that helps you. And if you're by a wall, that can also help your undulations. Okay, when you're ready, smooth it out. Nice and relaxed. So a little wave coming through. Now if you're not by a mirror, make sure your shoulders aren't moving. Well, they'll move with your body, but you don't want to go like this and overcompensate. It's chest, stomach, hips, not shoulders, and not neck either. You don't want to do this kind of camel move. Chest, stomach, hips, chest, stomach, hips. And if you're against the wall, chest touches, stomach touches, hips touch. Good, breathe. Stay with it. Now if you've got it, I want you to really squeeze as you come back. Forward and squeeze. Forward and squeeze. Squeezing through here. Feel it working through your core. You're giving your organs a nice massage. A little faster. That's it. So keep it slow if you need to. So I know for me, when I do it faster, I can forget about the hips, but you still want all three parts moving. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Good. So this one's a really good one to know too, because it's a key move in belly dancing. So our four key moves are our shimmies, our figure eights, our hip drops, and our undulations. Of course, there are many more moves, but these ones, once you've got the basic move, there's so many layers, so many ways to layer on top. Ooh, okay, coming up. Drop down, little shake it out. Nice work. Okay, this time we are bringing one foot in front and we're stepping into it. So some people find this one easier. So even if you didn't get the last one, try this one because it might seem easier for you. So Good. Good. And this one, if you want, you can move. That's it. Okay, other leg in front. Nice and slow. So even though you're working really hard, we're trying to make it look easy, trying to make it look smooth, like a wave through your body, or an undulation, that's alright. Make sure you're using all three parts, always only one part that you forget when you get tired, so make sure you're moving all three. Good. 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 Okay, let's start to move it. So we're going to start going back. We come forward and change, forward and change, forward and change. So to the side, forward and change, forward and change. So the foot is in front when that chest is coming forward. And then when I step back, that's when I'm coming back to neutral. That's it. Nice and soft. Keep going. Don't get off screen. Good. A little faster. Back, 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 back. So slow it down if you need to. Chest, stomach, hips. That's it. Good. Okay, shake it out. Coming up, dropping down. Ooh. Okay, this time we're coming side to side. So keeping the undulation, it's forward, to the side, forward. So all I'm doing is changing the position of my body and my feet. Still keeping that nice roll through the stomach, squeezing through your abdominals. Other side. Yes! Oh, how nice does this look? So if you're finding it hard to get it, it's not a move that you can get straight away. And everyone finds different moves easy. So some people might find this one really easy and find shimmies or accents really hard. And other ones might find this move really hard and other moves easy. So it's good for us to work on the things that challenge us. Shake it out. Okay, we've got one more movement to learn, and this is our going side to side, also known as our camel. Bringing one foot in front, step onto it, and back, out and back. So it's similar pattern to before, but we're coming to the side. And you can see I'm keeping this foot flat, but you can keep your feet up, or you can keep your feet down the whole time. It's up to you. See which feels better for you. You can go the whole thing with flat feet. Still working strong through the core, massaging out your organs. That's it. And let's add some arms to the side. 4, 3, 2, and other side. 4, 3, 2, a little faster. 4, 3, 2, change. 4, 3, 2, change. 4, 3, 2, change. Keep all three parts. Might go a little bit smaller when you're going faster. Good. One more. And shake it out. Nice work. Coming up. Just give yourself a nice stretch through your core. And then coming down. Feet out nice and wide. Releasing through your low back. And over to one side. Another side. And back to center, rolling all the way up, just opening through your chest. Awesome job, they are really hard moves those ones, so if you lasted through the whole workout, well done, give yourself a clap. Reaching forward, stretch through your shoulders.